Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep monitor on when the laptop is closed. So the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open your PC. This contains, of course, your Windows 11. And of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and actually upgrade into Windows 11 right now. It's for free. Of course, the upgrade, you can run the upgrade or the download of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. And of course, your PC might be a bit slower, but you will not feel any difference, especially if you have a good PC. And once the download or the installation is done, you'll be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. When you do that, you'll find your Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, the upgrade from Windows 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files or even apps for you, so don't worry about the upgrade, just go ahead and do it. And of course, you'll even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. Maybe if you're facing some issues or you just like the Windows 10. But I bet when you get used to Windows 10, you will like it. Sorry, 11, you will like it much better, and I don't think that you will face any problems. But as we said on the beginning of the video, is we would like to keep our monitor on when the laptop is closed. So to ensure that when you close your laptop lid, the display normally or sometimes does not turn off. So of course you can just go and modify the power options. So the first thing you'd like to do is just go and open the control panel. So open the start tab and type control panel and go ahead and open it. And now you'd like to go into your power options. So you can simply just type it here on the search, type power options and go into this first one. And of course, once you are here, you can actually change the plan on the balanced plan or the power saver plan. So of course, just go into it, and here you can actually make this turn off display on never, and of course make sure to save the changes. And here you are. When you choose now the balanced system or plan, your display will never turn off and you'll be good to go. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.